the mail. And you can come with me. This is my driveway. And I'm gonna just walk down and get the mail and try not to get run over by a bulldozer or a steamroller or some kind of aerator type thing or a pickup truck. So I'm going to be very careful and watch where I'm going. I think I am going to stay way over here on the right. But I do have to get the mail, you know, so. Alright, we've made it this far. Here are the culverts and drain cover things. Alright, now we're gonna cross the road. You ready? Alright. Look at that, no mail. Alright, nothing. Let's cross. And we're going back up the driveway and watching all these things coming toward me. A nice bulldozer, bulldozing up everything. The soil aerator. A second bulldozer. A dump truck. And he's coming right toward me. How you doing now? And whew, I'm home free. There was no mail. So I'll check it again next time, and thank you for joining me on my construction zone. Peace out.